In lists, assignment to slices is also possible, and this can even change the size of the list or clear it entirely. Here we created a new list called letters from letter A to letter G, and then we changed the elements from index 2 to index 5 from small to capital, and then we called this list again after the modification, and you can see the change. You can also modify and make places of some elements empty, or make nothing exist in the list by placing only empty square brackets. Let's make the list blank or empty from index 2 to index 5. As you can see here, the elements disappeared from index 2 to index 5. Now let's try to make it completely empty by equating this list with empty brackets. Here we cleared the list by replacing all the elements with an empty list. The built-in function len also applies to lists. You can simply use the len built-in function to get the length of any list or the number of items contains within this list. As in this example here, in this list which is called letters with 4 elements, and we get this length using the len function, and we placed the name of the list inside the parentheses of the len function. And you can see this.